The role of introns in genetic regulation. My PPT starts from first and completed from on the PPT on 23 points. First point, it is a diagram. Everyone knows the chromosomes in the present age consist of long strands of DNA containing many genes in eukaryotes and prokaryotes both. Introductions. Introns are sequences that interrupt open reading frames in RNA. Next. These diagrams, we said that the transcription ways in genomic DNA. Firstly, pre-mRNA and after spliced mRNA has been formed. Pre-mRNA splicing makes mature mRNA. Splicing of RNA. The intronic sequence intervenes between the two coding exons and contains splicing signals that are recognized by the spliceosomes. The splicing which has been happened in the exon gene transcriptions after cuttings, examples of axonization and ionization formation. Next. Theories of introns origin. There are two competing theories to account for the origin of the introns. The first theory is introns late theory and after is introns early theory extended to the exon theory of genes. Theories of introns origin, the exon theory of genes has three major components. The three major components that addresses the molecular mechanism of the origin which have the introns have. It is of the two types, the exon shuffling and the antiquity of the introns. The modular comparison of genes, exons often represent independent functional units and thus genes possess a modular compositions. Introns classifications. Classification of introns almost always beginning with the dinucleotides. It is two forms, you always know it, the guanine and thymine and ending with adenine and guanine. It is represented by GT and ending with AG and splice small nucleotide, ribonucleotide particles. Group 1, it is of three groups. First group is, in many genomes includes mitochondria. You always know mitochondria is the powerhouse of the cell. And the chloroplast, at least one nuclear gene at even bacteriophase. Bacteriophase always represented by the T4. In different genes are homologous groups. Second,